We're here at...
Boohoo!
This is Dice Case, one person here in Parkdale.
From the mountains to the city.
Hello guys, how are you all? Today is a Parkdale day here in Toronto, 10 a.m. in the morning. Let's see how's the Parkdale day today. Are you excited today?
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'm glad the sun is out.
Right?
Beautiful.
Alright, have a good day. See you.
See you later.
See you.
Historical walk. What's it?
Hello. I'm just taking a video.
My name is Tenzin and my store is Parkdale Fruit Market. So today we are collaborating with Made in Exile and they're setting up a stop out there that's called about quilling. And today definitely there has been a lot of foot traffic and it's quite busy than compared to the regular one. And we're expecting it to be a lot busier as well.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, so he's gonna take video from afar,
Okay.
and we're just gonna speak into this right here.
Okay.
Sonam, if you could. Is it good? Alright, so today we are here, me and Sonam, we're here at.
Luhu.
And today the event for today is Parkdale Day, right? So we're celebrating Parkdale. So how has everything been for you? And actually, first question, how long have you guys been here for?
We are going to be 2 years old on the next 420. So it's been a lot of fun. Parkdale Day has been super busy. We've been having great foot traffic. And I'm so proud of the organizers.
Oh, honestly, that's awesome. So that leads up to the next question, which I had. How busy has it been for you guys today?
It's been very good foot traffic for a Saturday. Don't worry, you're good.
You guys good?
Yeah, it's been so fun. It's been like a steady flow, and we have vendors and artists that are all from Parkdale, downstairs and up here.
So
and we
it's two
also,
floors?
2 floors.
Oh, okay.
Usually the shop is 1 floor, but when I have markets, I open
Yeah.
up the 2nd floor. And we also have tarot reading today, and we also have
Oh,
soup.
wow. Oh.
Yeah.
So looking around, I'm seeing a lot of cute gifts. So is that what you guys are selling here mostly? Or?
Yes. So it's a cute gift shop, and it's laid out like a little house. So it's like a living room, closet, study, and sexy things in the bedroom.
Oh, definitely can't miss that part. So that's pretty much it. Is there anything you guys wanted to say to our viewers? Most of them are from Toronto itself. They live around their neighborhood. Anything you'd like to say to them?
We have lots of workshops. We host markets once or twice a month. We have art shows, concerts. It's like a really cute space, and it's like a creative and like inclusive space.
All right, perfect. Thank you so much. We'll be checking around, taking some videos, and thank you so much for having
Thanks
us.
for coming.
Hi guys. Sorry, just wanted to see if you guys are okay being on camera. Just wanted to ask you guys some questions about Parkdale and today's event. If that's okay with you. You ready? Alright. So basically today the question is, what brought you guys down here? Is it specifically for Parkdale Day, or are you guys just walking about just your usual Sunday?
A bit of both. So we live in Parkdale, but we made sure to come out today to check out what was happening at Parkdale Day.
Yeah, we just moved in the neighborhood last summer.
Oh,
And so yeah, it's our first Parkdale Day.
So how has Parkdale been treating you so far?
Great neighborhood. Love it. The food, the community. It's been
It's
awesome.
awesome.
Yeah.
Want to go this way, guys?
And today, did you guys end up getting anything?
Yeah, we did.
What'd you guys end up getting?
We got this piece of art,
Oh.
which is very cute, and some more art.
Yeah,
Actually, a
some
bunch
more
of
art
art
from
in
some of the
here.
vendors in here. Yeah, some local artists and yeah, super cool stuff.
And is there anything in specific that you're hoping to see maybe next time for the next event? Something that you'd like to visit or see more of?
More of the vintage photos. They had like 4 photos. I was hoping to see more of old-timey Parkdale.
Yeah.
But it was cool. The 4 that they had was cool, but it would be cool to have a bunch of them.
For sure. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for featuring
Have a
in.
great day.
You guys take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Smells good in here. Oh, nice man. This is Dice Case, well-known person here in Parkdale. Everyone loves him. We love what he does for the community and what the place that he has as well. You guys definitely should come check it out. It's a hidden gem.
From the grave beyond this struggle, They don't let a woman kill you, not in the Tower of Song.
거기 가는 Huh?
Having Coke. Oh, there's live music in here.
Business. How's the business?
Come inside and say hi to Dice.
Okay. How has today been so far?
It's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Good turnout?
Yeah.
What time did you guys open up?
Like at 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock?
Yeah, 12 to 7.
And are you mostly seeing like regulars come in, or are you seeing a lot of new people? A lot of new people. So today's event actually helped out for you.
Yeah.
Like,
I think Kelly brought a lot of people. So, yeah.
Honestly, I think they're starting to do better and better each year. In a
Oh,
way.
this is not a BIA.
This is not BIA. This is separate.
Separate.
Oh.
So I'm not participating BIA anymore.
Oh, okay. Oh, maybe that's why there are a lot more promotion, but it was different compared to what BIA usually does, right? That's great, man. So you're seeing a lot of new people. I mean, even on the streets, we were seeing a lot of new people come around. So that's good.
Good for you too.
Good for everyone. Good for everyone. Yeah. That's pretty much it. What else? Okay, wait, let me just. That's it. Thank you, Daisuke-san. We're just gonna go around and take videos. Thank you.